Hello and welcome to the Listening Post's unboxing channel on YouTube. Today, I'm not unboxing anything. Today, I'm drilling into the very core reason of establishing this unboxing channel, to help share some of the really cool products that I come across day to day. As I now touch on 25 years in this industry, I want to share some of the things that have really kind of haunted me, really kind of got me so intrigued with some of the advancements that have been happening in our industry. And weirdly, one of them is a Bluetooth product from iFi, the iFi ZEN Blue V2. The ZEN Blue really actually shook up the industry as far as, in New Zealand at least anyway, an unknown brand producing a really credible Bluetooth receiver with a brilliant digital to analog converter. It took on some of the big guns, some brands that were renowned for audio, renowned for their DACs, renowned for their stereo amplifiers, expensive products, really expensive products, and this really cheap Bluetooth receiver came along and shook it all up. The first version was brilliant. The second version is even better, with a trickle down of a better DAC, lower noise floor and better overall reception. The product itself is relatively compact and really well built. It's got the inputs and outputs you would expect to see at the back, as well as the ability to switch to give it a digital out or an analog out and shut down bits of the circuitry if you're not using it. iFi introduce a number of other products in their range, and you can connect them using their interconnecting 4.4mm balanced. And that's kind of cool if it's going to a headphone or something along those lines. As a standalone product, it was the biggest selling Bluetooth, the first version, was the biggest selling Bluetooth receiver we had. The version 2, again, sonically superior, really easy to get the most out of. In fact, the only failing was if you paired the unit with the phone really close, it shut down its reception so much you'd end up walking across the room, it would cut out, because it was so intelligent in the way that it had the two-way feedback with the device. It was just awesome. The version 2, sonically significantly superior, and as I look back at 25 years, and I look back at how we're integrating our phones or just streaming briefly across the other side of the room to a mate's place or something like that, it's brilliant to see such a simple and affordable, brilliant sounding product available day to day from a brand that you probably never heard of, which was iFi. So there we have it, this brilliant little product, one that I'm happy to celebrate it as part of these 25 years, the iFi ZEN Blue. Thanks for watching. If you want to see more, subscribe to our channel.